Welcome back with me, Ringa, on Sersa Podcast. Today, we're going to talk about something that's super close to our daily life. You can guess it? That's it, e-money. As we all know, in this modern era, we can really separate ourselves from technology, and one of the most used for it is e-money. That's why I invite to awesome guests who I think can really relate to this topic. So, let's welcome them.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hi. How are you today?
Okay, as you see the guest, I will talk about e-money.
Yes.
Okay, could you please introduce yourself and tell us a bit about what you do?
Hello everyone. My name is Dennis. I am content creator focusing on digital, lifestyle, and young things. We often talk about things related to money.
Hi guys, I am a management student at the State University and also active e-money user because almost everything on campus is cashless now.
So nice, we got two perspectives here. Dennis as an influencer and Mahis as a student university. It's a perfect combo today. So, I think let's start simple. Dennis, when did you start being an influencer?
I started around 2020. At first, it was just for fun. I made videos and sharing things about the money.
Okay, nice. So, what made you stay in this world?
Because it's creative and dynamic. Plus, I can share full info with my followers including tips about digital and money. Okay?
Okay, that's interesting. So cool. Now we have also Mahis, a student at college. Student, how often do you use e-money?
Honestly, every single day for food, transport, even printing at campus, it's just more practical. I don't have to carry this everywhere.
Okay, I think let's get deeper. How would you define e-money in your own words?
For me, e-money is a digital cash. Money we store and use stores. Apps like GoBuy or Ofo is quick, efficient, and easy.
Yeah, it's like carrying a wallet on your phone. You just scan and go.
Yes, exactly. But of course, everything has pros and cons. In this modern era, what do you think is the biggest challenge in using e-money?
Probably data privacy. Some people feel worried about hacking or losing their balance.
It's true. And sometimes system error or internet problem can make payment fail.
Okay, that's pretty annoying. I know that feel. So, what do you think can be done to reduce those challenges?
Education is important about it. Understand how to use a money safely.
And the companies should also improve their system faster, safer, and more reliable.
So, I think that's the word for today's topic. So, we finished the episode. We learned that e-money will make life easier, but we still have to use it wisely and carefully. Thanks a lot to Dennis and Mahis for sharing the thought, and thank you for everyone for listening. Don't forget to tune in for the next episode of See you and stay smart in this digital world.
Bye guys!
Bye bye.